Hello, another video and another tutorial about mixing and mastering. So what do we have here? There is a drums channel that needs to be brighter and have more excitement. So let's listen to it without this exciter plugin. It may sound good, but in the whole mix
نموندی کنارم و رفتی خیلی راحت از اون روزای خوبمون نمونده چیزی واسط
Again, it might sound good, but it's not enough, at least for me. So with this Exciter plugin from Tukan, I have added excitement and brightness to drums. It kicks even in small speakers. That's good. That's really good. So let's check and compare.
نموندی کنارم و رفتی خیلی راحت از اون روزای خوبمون نمونده چیزی واسط خاطره ها و حسامون یه گوش خاک خورد میکسم و بی تو کلاهم رو باد برد جمعه ها بیدار میشی کنار اون شاید الان راضی تر از قبلی راضی تری باید و گفتی که اون چند سال فقط یه نمایش بود تئاتر قلب من و شما بازیگری کارت.
As you can hear, drums is higher and this exciter have added some details and increases mid-range or adds mid-range for them that they sound really good. This exciter is on drums bass and is really useful for situations like this. As I mentioned, this plugin helped drums to kick even in small speakers like smartphone speakers or other small speakers that don't use that much power and don't reproduce that much of frequency range. But they usually work great on higher frequencies. So this plugin helps energy and the punch of drums channel could be transformed to small and Bluetooth speakers. After this exciter, I have brought limiter. So before limiter, whatever was in my mind, I did in this drums channel because limiter is a finalizing point and a finishing point for the processes that you may do or you have done in your channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.